All right, step 10. We're nearly there. 3 more steps. Okay, so in this one, we're basically gonna add our custom rule to the pipeline. This is gonna be a quick one as well. So enter the custom rules folder. So yeah, we need to change the build spec. So let's go back to the build spec. Where is my build spec? It's over here. CFN-Nag, okay. So first thing is to enter the custom rules folder. So first command is gonna be cd custom rules, okay. And then, oops, and then run the command gem build. Yep. So this is just to build our gem spec file, okay. Cool. Next, the command above will generate a .gem file, okay, and install that with gem install. And the thing here is you can know, but it can't really be 100% of the name that it's going to be generated by this command, because I know that the version is going to be added. I think there might be a way for you to kind of force the name, but I'm gonna just do something simpler, which is just do gem install everything.gem, and we know there's only one file anyway, so I guess here there's no harm in doing that. Okay, so gem install, and then after that we're gonna run CFN-Nag instead of CFN-Scan, so watch out for that, against all the YAML files in the templates directory. Okay, so instead of CFN-Nag scan, it's gonna be custom. And yeah, for some reason the custom script, it doesn't support these things here, because it's actually the scan command is being run inside the script, so that's why we don't have to specify these things here. And here, watch out, that template is actually one level before, so we're inside custom rules. You could have, cd ... that doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put the ... here. So CFN-Nag custom ... templates, and then everything .yaml. All right, and seems like that's it. So definition of done. Okay, so let's actually execute, and I'll show you something. Basically, now we need to update the stack because we changed our pipeline, or actually our stage in the pipeline. So let's make sure I save this, and let's run update stack. So update stack right here. And I'm gonna have an issue with the location, so let me go back, custom one, and then not pipelines. Okay, there you go. Awesome. So that's updating now. Let's make sure everything's okay. And of course, just to double check that our spec has changed. Maybe it's this one. No, it doesn't matter. Let's go back. CFN-Nag. Oh, actually, that's the one. Yeah, so let me just reload this. And there we go. We have all of the commands that we added. And now we can just re-upload the package and trigger the pipeline again. But one thing that you need to remember, that this package here that we have, it did not include the custom rules folder, right? Because this is something that we just created. So let's remove this deploy. Is it here? Nope, probably not. Go back one, remove it here. All right, nothing. So now we need to include stacker, template, and also custom rules. So zip r9 deployment.zip, and then let's include stacker, templates, and custom rules. Awesome. So now let's just copy that to S3. Let's go back to the pipeline. Where's the pipeline? Okay, so now it's the weird thing here. Let's click on the CFN-Nag details. If we take a look at the output, so this is our custom rule. So you see C1, so that was the rule ID that I created. And actually I didn't change the description, so it still says S3 bucket should always be named food. Anyway, we know that this is our rule, and it failed. And it failed because if I go back to the template, so if I open the template, there is, take a look at the VPC. So instance tenancy is default. It should be dedicated, right? So that's why it failed there. But the problem here is this is a failing violation, but my pipeline is still succeeded. And here you can see failures count equals to 1. So what I noticed when I was doing like local tests with CFN-Nag is that when there was a failing violation, it was returning 0 as an exit code. And for the pipeline, it should be something different than 0. Otherwise, it's gonna succeed. So that's why it succeeded. And I was expecting a code different than 0 for whenever there is a failing violation. And again, I don't know if I'm missing something here. So if you used CFN-Nag version 0.5, 0.5 what? 0.535, and you're able to get an exit code different than 0 for a failing violation, please let me know. I want to know how to fix this. But anyway, if this is a limitation by CFN-Nag, at least in this version, that means at this point your pipeline will not fail. But if that's the case, I really hope that they're going to fix this in an upcoming version, because ideally, whenever you have a failing violation, this should be an exit code different than 0. And when we have that, then the pipeline would fail. So I'm gonna keep an eye on this, see if they fix this on a different version, or if I'm missing something, then someone please let me know. But at least we know that our custom rule worked, and it's actually picking up here. So you can see again C1. So yeah, so that means if you're using CFN-Nag and you want your templates to comply with some security requirements from your company, you're able to develop your own custom rules. And let's just hope that this exit code is going to be fixed somehow. But yeah, that's it. So that wasn't too difficult, right? Even though I didn't know Ruby, I was able to do this, which was good. So they had a very good documentation. And here in the definition I've done, I'm just basically saying everything that I've already said about the exit code not being 0. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this. And next one, step 11. See you there.